Hi everyone, today we will teach another important left hand skill which is called on-time pressing down string. I have taught on-time bouncing and press down string before. If you would like to look at that, I leave the links in the description section. You can go there to review. Before I teach today's lesson, let's review the other two skills which relate to today's lesson. First of all, on-time bouncing. Just as the name on-time means the left hand will do the movement at the same time when your right hand plucks the string. Bouncing means you just bounce. There's no certain pitch. And after your left hand bounce on the string, you don't hold it there. You just leave and back to the original position. And the symbol, let's use ray as an example. There is a dark upside down triangle on the top of the note. This means on-time bouncing. Pressing down string is different. Press down, then that means your left hand will press down the string to reach a higher note. And that movement will happen on the half beat of the note. Still, we use ray as an example. After your right hand pluck ray, your left hand will press down the ray string to reach mi, this pitch. And that happens on the half beat. In other words, if ray is one beat, the press down will have half beat, will happen on the half beat. And after you press down, you don't leave the string. You have to hold there to the mi until the next note happens. So, combine these two. Today's lesson we will teach on-time pressing down string. On-time means your left hand will do the movement at the same time your right hand pluck the string. Press down, you have to reach the higher note. The symbol looks like this. So let's use the ray again. This is the ray string because it's number 2. So we press down the ray string to the mi. Because it happens at the same time, so you are not going to hear ray as the pressing down. You will exactly just hear mi. But this mi is not the mi string, but it's a ray string. The ray string press down to mi and here like mi. Now I'm going to demonstrate each one so you can compare it. First of all, still keep your both hand as a fist, have to be round, and then open it, keep the end knuckle of each finger be round. Put on string. Okay, now let's do the on-time bouncing. Bouncing means the left hand just bounce and then come back. When the right hand thumb pluck the string. It's an imitate birds singing, so there's no pitch, just a decoration. Now watch my both hands. They have to happen at the same time. On-time bouncing. Again, again. So this is bouncing. So you can tell my left hand doesn't press down and doesn't hold there. Now I'm going to demonstrate the pressing down. Pressing down string, then that means the left hand has to reach the higher note and hold there, not leave. And that will happen on the half beat after the right hand thumb pluck the string. Now I'm still use the re string to demonstrate. Re pressing down to mi and then hold there. You can see my left hand doesn't leave like the bouncing one. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate again. Just simply press down. Happen on the half beat of the right hand. Again. This is just pressing down. Now let's do today's lesson. That means on time pressing down. Then that means the left hand will press down the string to the higher note, hold it there. But the movement will happen at the same time your right hand thumb pluck. Remember, the same time, and have to reach that pitch. Now let's use re and go higher to mi. This is today's lesson, on time pressing down. Again, on time pressing down. Again, on time pressing down. Okay, now I'm going to do the on time bouncing first, and then do pressing down, and then do on time pressing down. So you can hear the difference. First of all, on time bouncing. Pressing down. On time pressing down. Again, bouncing. Pressing down. On time pressing down. Okay, this is today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.